This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I am in Church Hill, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This home is located here in an interesting block. We've got a combination of different styles of architecture here in this block. Cape style on the other side. Here we have a semi-detached property next to a bungalow. So we've got a nice hodgepodge here in this block. This is not that unusual here in Church Hill. Directly in the middle of the frame, that home is undergoing renovation. They've got the compressor running, and just a couple weeks or so, that home will probably be on the market as well. We can see some other work has happened here in the block. Not very unusual for Church Hill. That's one of the things I love about this area. We've got so much renovation and revitalization that's taking place here, and it's just a win-win for so many people. Special shout out to Kirby Dickerson, the listing agent on this home, who was kind enough to allow us to take a look at her beautiful rehab. I love some of the things here in this home that are very unique, and I'll point those out to you as we go through. We've got great curb appeal here. We can see we've got new vinyl siding, new dimensional roof. I love the door color, nice neutral vinyl. Our lot is, of course, fenced here in the front and on 3 sides. At some point, this was probably an addition. One of the telltale signs is if you see the brick, that was what they used historically here in this area, and then it transitions to the regular cinder block. So that lets us know that this addition was put on some time ago. It wasn't a new addition, but it was put on, of course, since the home was built. Here in the rear, we've got a nice sized yard, a storage building. A deck was recently added. Good looking backyard. Somebody could do a lot back here if you wanted to do a garden or some other type of arrangement. You have the room, of course, to do so, and you even have a little shade. All right, we're going to go back down the side of this home. The other thing I love about this home is we've got all new systems, and this is, of course, our outdoor portion of a heat pump. It is nice and secure. We've got this cage on it, which is always a good idea. Whenever we have vacant properties, pretty much all throughout the Richmond area, we have seen some issues when units are not secured. Some of the builders for $500,000-$600,000 homes have experienced, they come back to their project the next morning and the unit is gone. So good feature to have that nice and secure for peace of mind. Okay, as we come in, we have an amazing staged family room. You can see everything is new paint. We've got recessed lights, LVP. It just has great impact here as we enter the front. We're going to start here on the secondary bedroom wing and see what we have in store. As we come down, we've got 2 doors going into the bedrooms and then one here to our full bath. They did a great job here in the full bath. We've got the Edison light bulbs. Of course, all of our fixtures are new, including the vanity, and our LVP also comes into this space as well. This is going to be the most conservative of the rooms. This would be a great home office as staged, or it could be a nursery or a child's room. You can get a twin bed in here and normal child size furniture with no problem. I love the fact that we've got good closet space here in all of our bedrooms. Of course, you just simply would need a rod in there and you'd be in good shape. This second bedroom is fabulous because there is enough space in here for a king. That's currently a queen size bed that's in place, and you can see here on the side, you've got plenty of additional space. They actually put the desk there, and then you've got a little bit of space here on this side. So plenty of space here in this bedroom to go with a much larger bed if needed. And our closet right there. Staging a home really brings it alive. I'm glad that she was able to get that done. It really gives someone a much better idea of proportion. It looks much better on video, and for overall presentation, just a really smart move. This is going to be an unfinished attic, and I wanted to show this to you because we have our new heat pump there in place. That's a great place to put it because when the heating and air technician comes to work on it, she can easily access it right there. Our electric water heater is new as well, and it can be easily accessed there. I see we have new insulation, new duct work. I see some new plumbing lines here. So quite a bit of work was put into this renovation. All right, I'm gonna see if I can go down here. These attics are very hot. This attic is hotter than 3 siblings eating tuna fish as their half brother devours a Happy Meal. So it is very, very hot up there. All right, let's go here to the left. This is going to be our dining area. I love the fact that it was opened up. You can see the wall there. I'm sure that was a wall that was removed in order to just give this a nice, open, modern feel. We do have a coat closet here. We're convenient to the front door, and love this space here. I've got just a great amount of space here, nice and open. If you were entertaining, this is a great floor plan to do so. Very well appointed kitchen. All of the stainless appliances do convey, including the Whirlpool refrigerator with water and ice in the door, Whirlpool smooth top, microwave, double bowl sink there. We've got a nice little view here. Let some sunlight come in the side of the home. And of course our island space for 2 bar stools. You might be able to squeeze a third in there. And to the right is going to be our laundry. Here in the laundry, there's a couple of options. You could easily stack 2 front loads right here on this side, and then the balance of the laundry closet here could be used as a pantry. You could put shelves in. So there's a lot of different ways that that could be refigured or configured rather in order to make sense for not only laundry but additional pantry space. All right, so our primary bedroom is right here to the right. I love the fact that it is nice and close to the kitchen. Very smart design. If you wake up in the middle of the night and you're hungry, you only have to go a few feet to get a great snack. All right, you can see we've got plenty of space here. You could easily accommodate a king-size bed. Directly ahead is going to be our nice sized closet. And we also have an ensuite here. Ensuite is not real common with these older homes, so it's nice when the renovation can allow for that. Just makes it a much more functional floor plan. All right, here we are in our ensuite. Here to the right, we have a nice tile walk-in with a glass door. This is really smart design here. We've got plenty of space in that shower. It's not some little cramped shower that you often see in older homes. So I love what was done here with this renovation. This home is very affordable. You could have 2 people making just under $35,000, and assuming a normal debt load and of course acceptable credit, they could buy this house. So it does not take a whole lot of money to get into a nice renovated home here that you'd be proud to call home. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.